guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a makeup look that is perfect for graduation for those of you who are graduating in the spring. And this is going to be something that's super easy and simple and beautiful. So if you guys want to see my graduation makeup look, then keep on watching. So I'm going to go in with kind of a glowy effect for this makeup look. And I'm going to make this as simple as possible so that you can do it super fast before your graduation pictures or before your actual graduation, so that you don't have to spend a whole bunch of time doing your makeup. So what I'm going to use for this is this Smashbox Photo Edit Eyeshadow Trio. This is the Trio #Goals, and we're just going to do a nice golden eye look that is very easy. So I personally like to go in with a product that is made to be an eyeshadow primer. I absolutely love the Smashbox 24-Hour Eyeshadow Primer, but Smashbox does actually have other eyeshadow primers that are skin toned. This one is clear. And then another thing that you can do is just go in with your concealer. You don't have to go out and get a whole nother product. And the concealer is going to create a base that will help your eyeshadow to not crease and to help keep your eyelids from getting oily and ruining your eyeshadow as well. But of course, this is the 24-Hour Photo Finish Shadow Primer, so it's going to be very sticky and really help to make your eyeshadow stay on for a full 24 hours if you so desire. So I like to go in with that. This one is pretty heavy duty and works super well. I will show you before and after pictures of swatches with the eyeshadow primer and without the eyeshadow primer. So once I have my eyelids primed, I'm just going to start right in on the eyeshadow. So I'm just going to go in with a crease brush, and I'm going to take the brown shade from this eyeshadow trio. It's called Cha-Ching. I'm just going to take a little bit of that, make sure I tap it off, and start right in the crease with a very light hand. So you can just blend that in the crease of your eye. Just go right in the natural crease where your eye indents. And I like to go right above as well because it helps to make your eyes look more open. And I'm just gonna wing that out a little tiny bit. So I'm at the edge of my eye. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit towards the end of my eyebrow there. And repeat on the other side. Just start out light and make sure you blend as you go. So just start out with a little tiny bit, blend it out, pick up more, blend it out. That will help get a super natural look. And what the winging out is going to do is just kind of bring your eyes up to give a more cat eye effect and to brighten your eyes. And just take your time with this, go back and forth as many times as you need to get the right blend. So now I'm going to go in with this lightest shade right here and just apply that all over my eyelid. And I'm actually just going to take my finger for that. You can use a fluffy brush, but I think it's easiest to go in with your finger, and it really applies shimmery shadows nicely. And I'm kind of doing the same thing that I did with the darker shadow, where I'm just kind of bringing it up a little bit towards the eyebrow just to blend it in with the darker shadow a little bit, and then going in again. And then I'm going to take the same brush that I used before, just with whatever's left over, and then blend the line between the two shadows. So I'm going to do my lower lash line, and I just like to take a flat brush to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take the brush and I'm going to tap one side of it into this dark brown shade so that the color is only on one side of the brush. And then I'm going to take the side with the color on it and I'm going to face it up towards my eye. So that way when I place it underneath my eye, it will get super close to the eye and not get too smoky. And then I'm going to go in with the light shimmer shade and do the same process right on top of the brown. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other eye. And if this shadow is too dark for you, you can go in with just the lighter shade underneath your lower lash line. It really depends on personal preference. But you do want to make sure that you don't forget about the lower lash line because it just helps to make your look more complete. So now I'm going to go in with my favorite brush from Smashbox, which is the Smashbox Multitasking Detail Brush. And I'm going to finally go in with this gorgeous golden shade. And I'm going to place that right in the inner corner of my eye. This is going to add a nice subtle pop of color. It's going to add some nice detail to the eye look. Okay, so then for eyeliner, I'm going to go in with my Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner in the shade Penny Lane. This is a golden brown eyeliner, and I'm just going to line my lid very lightly. I want this to be as natural and just pretty as possible. And lining your eyes with a brown eyeliner is actually going to give your eyes some dimension and thicken your lash line while still looking natural because it's not like a super dark black eyeliner. And then I'm going to go in with just an angled eyeliner brush, and I'm going to smudge out that eyeliner. And then I'm going to take another shade of the Smashbox Always Sharp Waterproof Kohl Liner. I'm going to take the shade Bare, which is just a light nude shade, and I'm going to line my waterline. And this is going to really open up the eyes and make your eyes brighter and wider and more awake. So now I'm going to go ahead and finish off the eyes with mascara, and I am using my favorite mascara, which is the Smashbox Superfan Fan Out Mascara. This one actually lasts 12 hours, so it will definitely stay on through graduation or photos or whatever you're doing, and it won't flake off. It stays on really well, but it's actually not waterproof, so it will still wash off easily when you're ready to take it off. So I just went in and lightly filled in my brows, and now we're ready for the final step, which is lips. Now I would definitely go in with a nude lipstick for this look. You could definitely go in with a gloss or just a regular lipstick, but especially in the wind here, you might have trouble with your hair getting stuck in it or even just it staying on. So I'm going to go ahead and do a liquid lipstick, and I'm going to show you how I make that super natural. So I'm going to start out with just some chapstick, just a light layer. This is just one from Burt's Bees, which is available in the Wildcat shop. And then I'm going to take my favorite nude lipstick, and mine is actually the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in the shade Stepping Out. I love that it has a pink tint to it. And what I'm going to do is just kind of make this go on like a lip stain so that it gives me a light wash of color, and it's going to stay on all day, but I just can't feel it and it's not too dark. So what I'm going to do is just tap a little bit into the center of my bottom and top lip, and then I'm going to go ahead and take my finger and pat it out. So that fades out the color of my lipstick so that it looks super natural, and I also cannot feel it, but it's still a liquid lipstick, so it's going to stay on all day. Okay, and here is the finished graduation makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope that I gave you a lot of really good tips for your own makeup and give you an easy makeup look that is glam but still looks natural, that is perfect for graduation photos or even just your graduation day. I love these photo edit eyeshadow trios. They're super convenient and easy to use. One little trio and you have endless super easy eye looks that you can make. So these are available in the Wildcat shop, and we have, I believe, 16 different color combinations of these. I would highly recommend them, especially if you're just looking for something to create easy, fast eye looks with. These are absolutely perfect, and they're gorgeous as well. Smashbox's shadows are super high quality, and they're available for you right in the center of campus in the Wildcat shop, so they're even super convenient to pick up. You won't have to pay for shipping from ordering it online or anything like that. They're just right there. So that is super nice, and that is the case with all of these Smashbox products that are available in the Wildcat shop. So come in and check that out. We are now also offering makeup applications at the Wildcat shop, which is perfect for graduation pictures. You can come in, it's only $10 to book your appointment, and you get a full face of makeup, and then you also will receive a $10 off coupon for your next purchase of $30 or more of Smashbox at the Wildcat shop. So for $10 you get your makeup done, and you get some high quality makeup that you can take home and use again and again. So yeah, I think that's all I have for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.